Hey guys, in this video I compare two carburetor rebuild kits. Hey, so I'm in the process of rebuilding this empty carburetor for a customer's Volkswagen. And so what I thought I would do is just go ahead and pick up a couple of different carburetor rebuild kits and just see if maybe one was better than the other, or see what's different in the two kits. So what I did, it's CIP1, I picked up this empty kit. This is a C13 2500, and then what they call an OE kit, this 111 198 569 UR, and these are both for the pick 28 through 34 carburetors. But basically they're real close in price. This is a $20 kit, whereas this empty is $25. But once you get the two kits, they both have an exploded view of the carburetor and the parts, where each part goes. This is the one for the other kit. And then inside, you're going to get your basic gaskets. First off, your base plate gaskets, and it comes with two sizes. This one came with two of this size here, whereas the empty kit, it was just one of each. And I believe this will be the 34 pick 3 here. And then of course you get a variety of the carburetor body gaskets. And so it starts out with this one here, which is your 28 picked 1 and 2, and your 30 picked 1. And then the rest of them that are in the kit, you can see this one has 4 others. Those will fit your 30 picked 2 and 3, and then your 34 picked 3. But what I noticed is on those body gaskets, these 3 are the same from this kit to this kit. Those 3 are the same. And then the empty actually gives you 2 of this one. So you get 2 there. But on these here, these 2 are not in the empty kit. And then this one, which is even different, is not in the OE kit. And ironically, I'm rebuilding an empty 34 pick 3, or P3 as I call it, which is probably a pick 3 knockoff. And here's my old gasket, and just by comparison, I need this gasket here out of this kit. Just by matching it up, you can see that's the correct one. But oddly enough, this gasket here is not in the empty kit. And I'm redoing an empty carburetor. So that's kind of odd. This one does come close. But if you look closely, if I lay this on top of here, you can see right there on that corner that would cover up this hole on the carburetor right there. So I'm assuming that needs to be open for a reason. I could take a razor blade or something and cut that and make it fit right. The rest of the gasket is correct as far as the bolt holes and everything else. It's just that one corner there that would need some tweaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the one out of this kit, since it is identical. And then as far as the the quality on these, the only thing I can tell is the MP kit is just a little bit thinner on the gaskets than this OE kit here. It's just got a little bit of a thicker feel to it. Then in both kits you're going to get your choke diaphragm and your pump diaphragm. But on this OE kit you actually on the pump diaphragm you get an extra gasket. That's probably for a different model of carburetor. The OE kit has 2 of the fuel control needles with the gasket or O-ring, and then the MP comes with 3 of them. So it's got this longer one here. And then they both have the what do you call it? This piece here that holds the float in the bowl. And then you're also going to get an O-ring in both of them for your air control needle. Now that doesn't come in the kit, so you'll have to clean up and reuse your old one, but you do get the O-ring for that. And then they both have the silver gaskets for your fuel cutoff valve, which is in the bowl of the carburetor. So one of these will go on here, and oh, by the way, you actually get a new one in the kit. And then the other one will go on this nut here that goes on the side of the bowl. So those 2 there. And that's basically it. It's just a little bit of variation in the carb body gaskets, the quantities on a couple of them. You know, this MP kit you get 3 fuel control needles, whereas this one you just get 2, but you get an extra gasket for the pump diaphragm. But yeah, both of them seem to be pretty good kits. Again, I don't know why there's a slight variation in what you get in the kit, but and again, that's an MP C13 2500, and then the one that CIP1 sells, this one 111 198 569. Well, there you go, guys. Just a quick and short video on carb gasket kits or carb rebuild kits. If you got any questions, just hit me up in the comments below. And thanks for watching.